This is where the shoot, like the maid in Manhattan with like J-Lo around. Good morning. It's another day in New York City. We are getting ready. Well, we're done getting ready. We're gonna go to Central Park and the Met, and then get some like lunch, something to eat. But we're gonna get some bagel first.
Live out Gossip Girls.
Yes.
Gossip Girl days. The steps of the Met and Central Park.
Of the day. Show your fit, honey. She got very like colorful fit as well. Top from
Shop Cider and bottoms also from Shop Cider.
And then jacket is from
Oh, this is old, but it's from Bershka.
Okay. Yeah, so we're gonna wear that today. And we're gonna have another shooting day today. So all the clothes that I'll be wearing today is all like dresses. Cause
Catch our new pose.
Yeah, so more like dresses, and I'm just excited. We're excited. We're both excited. Okay, necklace. I don't have a necklace. We're in a subway now. So complicated. Subway. So it's like $3, right? Or is it $3? Yeah, $3. And we're in Canal Street right now. And we're going to eat some bagel. Fit check. Cute, like nice dress. And okay, train is coming. Finally made it to the bagel shop, and
a million years later.
Okay, so
The subway experience was an experience.
Make sure you plan where you're going and you know where you're going.
And you know how to work the subway. Or just ask someone on the subway, because they'll know what they're doing. Which is what we did. A girl saved us.
We can't. Like, we would be in Brooklyn if we had to keep going.
No, not Brooklyn, the Bronx.
Yeah, so we have to keep going. But we made it to this like bagel shop, and we're gonna eat. This is gonna be our breakfast, and after this we're gonna go to Goodwill, right? She's gonna check out the Goodwill, and after the Goodwill, like check around other store, and then go to Central Park and take content over there, and then we'll see after that. So yeah, but is it good? Look, and this is mine. We got everything: bagels, bacon, egg, and some cheese. And she got like this.
There's like salmon, cucumbers, onions, tomato, cream cheese, garlic,
and garlic bread, or garlic bagel, I would say.
capers.
Yeah.
Now it's turned into a mukbang.
Honestly, mukbang. After a disaster subway,
Day already.
we finally made it, you guys. We are here in Central Park.
Felt almost impossible to get here.
Yes. Finally here. Oh god, we're finally here. We're both happy. We only seen this. I know, we only seen this in like movies and shows. Oh my god, you guys, you gotta see this video because look. Okay, hold on. You look at this view. Wow. Alright guys, we're about to shoot some content here. It's really nice. It's really nice in here. If you guys could just like see my view. This is literally like my view.
I wish we had a blanket.
I know, we don't have any blankets right now, but Look at this view. This is what you pay for to see, is this view.
This is what the whole day of hecticness, like, this is the price of it. I mean, no, that was the price of getting this.
Yeah. It's really nice. Oh, here, it's so huge. This is where they shoot like the maid in Manhattan with like J-Lo around here. It's so cute. So we're just strolling. We're going to the Met. We're gonna take more pictures there and change. It's really nice outside, but look, we're wearing slippers. Wearing slippers because heels are just too much to walk. Oh my god, look at that. It's cute. Oh, look at the horse. Wow. Oh, it's so pretty. You guys, look at this view. Oh my god. It's so nice.
Canoes, like paddle.
Wait, that is so freaking cute.
Dead.
Oh my god. Look at this view. Oh my goodness. You're gonna say a lot of oh my god, it's so cute in like million of times, but this view is like stunning. Stunning. Wow.
It's not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's for me to say